Hi, welcome to today's video. China's Caixin Manufacturing PMI rose from February to 50.8, just above the borderline value of 50. The value is better than expected. Nikkei Manufacturing PMI also rose from February to 49.2. The value is still signaling a contraction in the manufacturing industry, but not as much as previous month. World Trade Organization's report will be published this week. Due to the ongoing trade tension, the report will get much attention. PMI data for service sector will be released on Wednesday. The Vice Premier of China, Liu He, will be meeting with the U.S. Secretary of the Treasury, Steven Mnuchin, and the U.S. Trade Representative Robert Lighthizer on Wednesday. On Thursday, the ECB will release the accounts from the latest monetary policy meeting. The highlight of the week will be the U.S. non-farm payrolls on Friday. The market is expecting a growth of 125,000 employed in March. The growth was only 20,000 in February. And that's it for today's video. Check the video description for more details. Thank you for watching.